Hello everyone, today in this video I am going to deal with a poem that is The Rebel, written by DJ Enright. Now, first of all, coming to the title of the poem The Rebel. Now, what is a rebel? Coming to the literal meaning of rebel is a person who rises in opposition or armed resistance against an established government. So anyone who goes against established government, that person is regarded as rebel. But here it has nothing to do with these political views. In this poem we have got the poet has given us a character sketch of a young adolescent boy. In this poem, the boy goes against everybody. It means he goes against the crowd. Now, it can be related to society as well. So, in the context of society, a person who is always ready to go against the society. Similarly, in this poem, a rebel has been described as someone who goes against others to be different. So the basic idea is why they go against, the basic idea behind that is to be different among the crowd. So rebel can be seen contradicting others by doing things totally opposite to what other people are doing. This is the basic idea of rebel. Now let me introduce you to the poet DJ Enright. Dennis Joseph Enright was a British academic poet, novelist, and critic. He was born on 11 March 1920 at Royal Leamington Spa, England. He authored academic year, memoirs of a mendicant profession, and a wide range of essays, reviews, anthologies, children's book and poem. He passed away on 31st December 2002 at the age of 82. Now let's move to the text. Now as I told you in the introduction, so rebel is someone, and particularly in the context of this poem, here we have an adolescent young boy who goes against the crowd, who goes against everybody to prove himself different from them. Now let's see. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel does not say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates disturbance. So, if you will form a pair of the subsequent two lines, you can see that the first action is just opposite to the second, or the second action you will find is totally opposite to the first one. Here you can see in the first two lines which I have formed a pair, that when it is said that when everybody has short hair, then what the rebel do? He grows long hair. So when everybody has a long hair, the rebel cut his hair short. Then at that time he prefer keeping short hair. So when everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel does not say a word. At that moment when all people used to speak, when all people used to talk, at that time rebel used to be mum, be quiet. Again, when nobody talks during the lesson, when everyone is silent, quiet, at that time rebel creates a disturbance. So at that time rebel talks, says some words, and therefore create disturbance. So here we have seen that the rebel is going just opposite to the crowd, going just opposite to what other people are doing at the moment. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in a fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. In a company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need of rain. So again, similarly, we can form a pair of these lines. And again here you can see the two actions will be contradictory to each other. And what is when everybody wears uniform, when everyone is in uniform, that is when they follow any particular dress code, at that time the rebel used to wear fantastic clothes. And when everyone wears fantastic clothes, and then at that time rebel wears sober clothes. Sober is simple, plain clothes. And when everyone praises dog, or whenever everyone in the group discuss about dog or shows their affection toward dog, at that time the rebel shows their preference for cats. When in the company of cats lover, when everybody prays for cats, when everybody prays for cats, and then at that time the rebel prays for dog. When everybody prays the sun, it means sunlight. So at that time the rebel will say he will favor rain. So when all people are in favor of sunny day, then at that moment the rebel is in the favor of home and reads a book. The rebel goes to the meeting. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. It is very good that we have rebel. You may not find it very good to be one. Now this line, it is in the continuance of the last line. It says that when everybody praises for rain, when everybody is greeting rain, when everybody wants rain, at that time the rebel will say that no, I like sunny day, and he wished that it would have been a sunny day. So at that moment when everybody used to greet rain, that it means when everybody grow happy for rain, when it starts raining, then at that time the rebel will say that no, sunny day is quite good, and he starts regretting that if it should have been a sunny day at that time. Then next line says that when everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads book. When everybody stays at home and reads book, the rebel goes to the meeting. So this four line again, when all are in meeting, then at that moment the rebel stay at home and reads book. So again when everybody is at reading book at home, then at that moment he will go for meeting. Again the next line says that when everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. So again in this part, this part refers to the situation when someone asks you or offer you something, and then at that moment politely you used to say yes please. In a response you say yes please. Then but that moment when everyone would be saying yes please, at that moment the rebel will say no thank you. That it means he will show his disagreement for that thing. And when everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. And then when everyone will go show their disagreement for that particular thing, at that moment the the rebel will say that yes, I want it. In the last two lines, the poet says, it is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. So he says that it is good to be a rebel. And perhaps maybe that you will not like to be one. But he says that it is good to be rebel, but we should be rebellious. We should be rebel according to the situation as the time demands. We should not just in order to create difference or in order to prove ourselves different or in order to show off, we should not be rebel. We should be rebel when the situation demands, when it is necessary. It is not that in order to irritate someone we should be rebellious. It's all about this video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.